In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an order manually in Shippo. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a seamless experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Once it's open, head to the search bar and type in Shippo. This way, you can quickly find the website we'll be using for this task. When the results appear, look for the first link, or specifically, the one with the URL goshippo.com. Click that link and it will direct you to Shippo's homepage. On the homepage, you'll see a button labeled Log In. Click on it and then use your credentials to access your Shippo account. This step is pretty crucial because you need to be logged in to manage orders. Once you're in, navigate to the Orders page. This page is the hub for creating and managing your shipments. Now, look for a button that says Create Manually, or something similar to start a new manual order. Clicking this will bring up a form to fill in your order details. The form will likely have your default sender address already filled in. If you're shipping from a different location, you can change this to reflect the correct sender address. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's full name, complete address, and phone number. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any shipping mishaps. The next step involves entering the package dimensions. This includes the length, width, height, and weight of your package. You can use your own custom dimensions, or, if applicable, you may choose a carrier-provided parcel option. This choice depends on what suits your shipping requirements best. Once you've filled out the package details, there's an option to include additional information. For example, you might want to add item details to generate a packing slip. This is particularly useful if your recipient needs to see what's inside the package before opening it. Now, you'll see a range of available shipping rates. Shippo provides these options based on speed and cost. Carefully review them to see which one meets your needs, whether you're looking for a faster delivery or the most cost-effective option. Select your desired rate and proceed to purchase the label. To finalize the process, click the Buy button. This action completes your manual order creation, and with that, your shipping label is ready to be used. And there you have it. You've successfully added an order manually in Shippo. With these steps, managing your shipments becomes a breeze, and you can enhance your shipping efficiency anytime you need to manually process an order. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.